So here's how you can add multiple photos on your Instagram story. It's actually quite easy to do, but you want to make sure that you watch this full video so you don't miss out on any single steps. So the very first thing that we need to do is go ahead and open up our Instagram app. And then once you are in your profile page in your Instagram account, you want to go ahead and make a story. So then we'll go ahead and click on the plus icon on the top right hand corner, click on story. So then from here, we can go ahead and choose on any random photo to upload on our Instagram story. So I'm going to choose this one right over here. And then so essentially, if you want to add another photo or just multiple photos in general to this specific Instagram story, you want to click on the sticker icon on the top right hand corner. It's like next to the AA button. Now from here, you want to scroll down a bit, and then you're going to be looking for this image icon, and the mine is next to countdown and food orders is right in the middle, right over here. So go ahead and find that and then click on that icon. And then now you can actually add more photos. So you can choose on any photo that you want from your gallery. Let's see, I'm going to choose this one right over here. This is before, and I'm going to basically, you can also change and edit it. You can basically make it bigger or smaller just by dragging on it, and you can also change the direction of it, which is pretty cool. So you can go ahead and play around with that, and then to add another one, it's the same deal, stickers, images, and go ahead and find a random image that you want to add, and then add it. This is me trolling my AI. So then once you have done that, go ahead and upload that to your Instagram story, and there you have it. You have just added multiple photos on your Instagram story.